to another video of Malyadri Talentz. So today we are going to do Jarvis tutorial. Yep, I don't know this stuff. These are really very hard. This is my Jarvis. I'm going to train you guys to make a Jarvis same like mine. Okay, so this is basics and part 1 of making Jarvis using Python. First, what we need to do is we need to import speech recognition as wait. Okay, sometimes even I forget. Okay, it doesn't matter. And then what we need to do is we need to okay, the other thing we need to do is we should import pytdsx3. Okay, before importing them, what you need to do is you should just install them. So I think you should know Python a bit of basics. Without that you cannot do anything. Pip install speech rocket. Okay. I know, you guys will be like, Malyadri, this takes a lot of time. Okay, so instead of that, you can go to Google Chrome and type Python speech recognition, like I do. I use Brave. I'll tell you, it's like uses of Brave. Brave doesn't show you ads. Brave gives you money, but this same free ads for 1 hour. I'll do another tutorial on that too. And IDK Brave is taking too much of time. Okay. What you guys can do is, okay, before this I'm going to upload another video called how to download Among Us on Windows. You can see that. Okay, first you need to type Python, and what you need to do is Python on speech record. Okay, speech record. It's like, having this doesn't know that much of it. Having that much of it is no use. Kinda. Okay. And then loop animation. Okay. So you see this put install speech recognition, you just click that, and you get copied to your clipboard, and then you should just go to here and here, and you just do that, and you just enter it, and you get installed. It's like will get installed. IDK it's taking too much of it, but I already installed it. I'll show you the next part. Next part is what you need to do is you need to go over here. It's like you should leave lines so that you feel like it's coordination. Okay, what you need to do is I already copy pasted because I don't have time to type too much of it. Okay, this thing. Okay, now here what this was. If you want a Jarvis or whatever name you keep to your virtual assistant, if you keep 1, it'll do female voice. If you keep 0, male voice. Okay, 0 and 1, and 2 is a very good voice of female. I think if you want female voice, you would better go to second one. That would be perfect. Let's go over here. Okay, so now what this thing is like to tell you that whether this thing is ready and listening. If you want, you can remove this. Means like you can actually write your own. Means like what you can write your personal assistant name, and see, I'm removing that. Okay, and the other thing is that you need to even import by audio. Wait, did I do that? No. It's like you need PyAudio to be installed. Okay. Wait, I'll tell you how. It's like you go run it on LP and by audio, it'll run. Okay? And after this, what you need to do is you need to go back. I'll tell you what we should do. Okay, so this thing is how to make good morning stuff and all. I'm gonna show you this later, but I'm gonna tell you the other one. Okay, first we're going to create normal basics, okay? We're going to do this. We don't have visual over here, so we are going to skip that. Skip that. And what we're going to do is, as you saw, we gave like this, right? Now we're going to create a normal one. Like this. Wait, does that? You guys be wondering why I'm checking. Because I didn't prepare for this video yet. But I'm just recording it for you guys. Okay, we'll type if hi or hello. You can give anything. You can give hi, hello. We'll give hi right now. Hi in world. And you can tell hello. I am your personal assistant. And your name also you can give. And then you can give speak. What speak does is it actually tells the audio. What we are gonna do is instead of taking too much of time to type, we are gonna just take this and this. Make sure you don't have this because sometimes what you know is like it'll sometimes pick up I, comma, am. So that's gonna be very funny. Okay, we have created one. We're gonna create another one. Okay. If what's up or hi. Okay, we'll create by. I didn't know it, but this thing. Print. We're gonna print food by person, and that's gonna speak by so. And after that, what you need to do is you should actually write a code which executes means like which tells that wait a minute. I forgot means like I know it but I don't know properly. It's like exit it or it's like I didn't touch this for me. Okay. What you need to do is you need to type exit and this thing. What this does is if you tell by, this thing stops. Now I will try to run it. It should work I think. Oh come on, taking too much of time. Okay. Hi. Okay, you see that recognition coming. Okay, you cannot hear the voice because that is what it does. It's like my computer recorder doesn't record computer sound. If you know any better free version of a computer, it's like computer screen recorder, you can just comment down below. Hi Jarvis. Wait, this is hi. Wait, I think we should just simplify audio. Wait, I don't understand why it's doing with this. Hey man. Hi Jarvis. This thing is annoying me. Okay, wait. Okay. It's like hi. Wait, I just said hi. Okay. Goodbye. Means like bye. 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 And it exits. Okay, you see that? I told so many of bad guys. Don't matter about that. Will change this to hello? I think it should work right now. Hello. Okay, you see that? It works. What we can do other stuff. It's like means like it speaks, but as I told you, my computer doesn't record that. Not computer, my screen recorder. Okay. What are we gonna do next? You guys can add your stuff also. This is just the basics. If you want, you can add a lot of more. Okay. This is just basics. If you want, you can add a lot of more like this. And there'll be a part 2 in that I'll be explain complicated stuff. Even I'll get ready instead of saying this codes. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Meet you on the next video. Okay, I think so next video will be day after tomorrow. Okay, meet you on there. Bye. Make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment down below.